Okay, everybody, we got a 2001 Jetta here. We had some random weird misfires after it's been sitting for a while, and you start up in misfires, and we saw that the coolant was a little bit low. So we're thinking maybe a head gasket, several different ways to test a head gasket. Did a hydrocarbon test, and it passed. But we pressurized it for several hours. Take our boroscope here. Got Bryce, smile Bryce. And so this is what we found. So you can see the this is the, come up a little bit, Bryce. You can see the valves, and then this is the cylinder wall. And what do you see there? Well, you see some water trickling down. Go back up, Bryce, to the head gasket. So that's a piston, so it's collecting on the piston. So we see that little shiny spot right there that just glared at us. That would be coolant. So